Energy sustains our modern daily lives, communicating, commuting, and consuming. Immediate and abundant energy is needed for heat, fuel and electricity, and to manufacture raw materials like plastics, fabrics, and fertilizer. Natural gas will be an essential part of our energy and product mix for decades to come. Aside from being the cleanest hydrocarbon fuel, natural gas is abundant, and infrastructure is already in place for easy transportation and storage. The problem? Until now, methods to source natural gas have been emissions-heavy and inefficient. Wells are abandoned after recovering only 12 to 60% of the gas in place. Upwing Energy is a gas tech innovator that is disrupting the $300 trillion natural gas industry with its advanced technologies, subscription-based business model, and carbon neutrality. Upwing enables energy security, environmental stewardship, and profitability simultaneously. Decades of work by advanced turbomachinery engineers have resulted in Upwing's proprietary subsurface compressor system, or SCS, which increases the rate of production of existing wells and depletes natural gas reservoirs down to unprecedented levels. The SCS is derived from the proprietary technologies of former parent company Calnetics Technologies, which have been proven in high-speed motorsports, long-term total heart replacements, CO2 removal from the International Space Station, the electrification of defense systems, and innovative pumps and subsea boosting. These applications have paved the way for the SCS to endure one of the harshest environments on Earth, 2 miles below the ground, creating a new way to source previously inaccessible gas economically and sustainably. Today, operators in the U.S. are drilling and fracking new wells at a cost of $8.5 million per well, and significantly more abroad to meet global demand. Instead, an SCS can be installed into an existing well at 2% of the cost and provide increased gas production of over 200% and increased reserves of over 70%, depending on well conditions. What's more, with each SCS installation, 8,386 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions, or CO2e, related to drilling and fracking a new shale well are eliminated, and 280 tons of CO2e per month related to operating a surface wellhead compressor are also eliminated. The SCS is offered through Upwing's end-to-end service subscription, which provides hassle-free management of production equipment, operations, and data with no capital or human resources required from well operators. Today, in the United States, the SCS has the potential to provide an additional 5.7 billion cubic feet of gas per day, or 30% more from active conventional wells. Additionally, from non-producing conventional wells, the SCS increases recoverable reserves by 123 trillion cubic feet, which is 20% of the total proven dry gas reserves in the country. At $3 per thousand cubic feet of gas, this increase in reserves equates to an unrealized revenue of $368 billion, while abating 160 million tons of CO2 from drilling and fracking alone. When the SCS is applied globally, the increased production potential is 26-fold, at a fraction of the cost of traditional exploration, extraction, and production activities, and without any of the associated emissions. Upwing exists to positively impact the economics, energy security, and environmental implications of global energy production. Together with our clients, we are making an impact that's truly uplifting.